night street glows on my visor, like a quiet gold river. Breath fogs the glass, then fades, and I fade with it. Engine hums low like a secret only we remember, so bitter. This road keeps whispering my name, and I just sit. Feel my heart beat first before any lover ever did. Tiny thunder in the bars as the white lines slide under. You hear the lies I tell my friends, that I am fine, that I am solid. Your mirrors hold my ghosts and my silent blunders. Helmet on and the world turns distant and small. In this hollow shell I finally hear it all. The helmet knows my happiness and my hidden fears. The helmet knows my prayers when no one else is near. The helmet knows my madness, my cracked devotion. The helmet knows my sadness, still it keeps me in motion. We chase a sunrise that keeps running round the bend. Gas station coffee laughs in a map stained with rain. Stranger at the pump turns into a maybe friend over stories of close calls and an old steel chain. A line on my stiff old neck. Every cloud we pass feels like a soft, rough check.